Hi, my name is Louisa Moreno. I'm the marketing specialist at Aquacycl, and welcome to Wastewater Wednesday. So today we're going to be going over the 6 most common mistakes we see in industrial wastewater management and how you can fix them to reduce your business risks and costs. The number one thing you'll want to avoid in your wastewater management is not knowing what's in your wastewater. If you don't know the pollutants that you are discharging and the volumes that you are generating, how are you going to know whether you are within your permits and maintaining compliance? How you can fix this is by employing inline sensors and real-time data collection devices so that you can know exactly what pollutants are being sent down the drain, what volumes you are producing, and which parts of your processes are generating these pollutants. The second thing you'll want to avoid is inadequate pretreatment. Sending your full-strength industrial wastewater down the drain is just gonna cost you. It is also putting strain on your utility. Their energy expenditures will go up based on the amount of contaminants being sent to them. So that will increase your scope 3 emissions, and we definitely don't want that. So employing good pretreatment options will not only save you money, but help you maintain compliance as well and reduce those emissions. The third thing you'll want to avoid in your industrial wastewater management is neglecting maintenance. Just like any other piece of equipment in your production line, maintaining a regular maintenance schedule will ensure that your equipment is working properly and efficiently. This is especially crucial because a shutdown to your on-site wastewater treatment system may mean a shutdown to your production. To avoid this, it's essential that you understand the maintenance routine that your system requires. Does your system require regular sludge removal, chemical dosing, or a complete overhaul every few years? Answering those questions will help you start this maintenance schedule and keep it up. The fourth mistake you'll want to avoid, and this is an especially common one, is treating your full flow. We don't throw away all of our trash into the same bin, so why are we throwing away all of our wastewater into the same flow? This not only raises wastewater treatment costs and energy requirements, but it's just overall inefficient. You can fix this by utilizing a stream segregation approach. This means treating wastewater at the point source by identifying which portions of your production produce the most high-strength wastewater and treating those smaller volumes more effectively before combining with the full flow and discharging to the utility. We have great guides on how to do this, so check the description below and start segregating those streams. The fifth thing you'll want to avoid is not planning for growth. Wastewater is often overlooked in growth plans, yet it is directly impacted by your production processes. This means that many companies will often find wastewater as a limiting factor when growing their facilities or expanding their product lines. You can avoid this by planning ahead. Make sure that wastewater treatment and management is incorporated into those growth plans, and utilize a wastewater treatment that can grow with you, like Aquacycl. The sixth and final mistake you'll want to avoid in your industrial wastewater management is simply sticking to business as usual. We often fall complacent to a if it's working, why fix it mentality, but this can lead to major business risks. This is primarily because what is compliant today may not be compliant tomorrow, as regulations are constantly changing. And although your wastewater treatment may be working now, it may not mean that it's efficient, running up on costs, chemicals, energy expenditure, greenhouse gas emissions, and leaving large opportunities on the table for reusing resources such as water. To fix this, strive to go beyond compliance and look for innovative technologies that may open up the opportunities for reuse while minimizing energy expenditures and greenhouse gas emissions. Now, I know that's a lot to think about, and we're not even skimming the surface on all the mistakes you could be making in your wastewater management. That's why you should consider wastewater treatment as a service. Treatment as a service is exactly what Aquacycl does to help offload the management burden from you so that you can stick to your core business and let us handle your wastewater. Aquacycl is your partner in wastewater management. Through our wastewater treatment as a service, we ensure that you avoid all of these mistakes we talked about and anything else that may come up down the line. Our team of experts is well-versed in all types of industrial wastewater, and you'll receive top-of-the-line wastewater management with our on-site treatment system. To see how your wastewater management practices stack up, take our assessment down below and receive custom resources to help you improve your management. And if you want to learn more about Aquacycl's wastewater treatment as a service, please check out our website at aquacycl.com.